After years of working online, like right now, at the time of creating this video, I do have an experience of 17 to 18 years of my online work. Specifically, I have worked in the digital marketing industry for most of the time, and I too have worked with SEO, Google Ads, Meta Ads, Google Business Profile, Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping. But I do carry the Google Ads as one of my top rated skill, and today I am announcing that I have finally, after years of waiting, I have finally published my course on Udemy for Google Ads. I was trying to create videos, but due to busy schedule, I was not able to create it earlier. And I compiled in parts, and still, even after launching, I plan to add a lot of new lectures in it. So if you want to be the part of my Udemy family, and if you want to join a full-fledged course where you can learn more about Google Ads in detail and becoming a Google Ads master, to definitely subscribe to this course. I will add the link in the description of this video where you can directly go and sign up for this course. And this course has been worked created after a lot of testing, trials and work. And even whenever I wanted to launch it, I still forget that I need to add one more lecture, and I need to add one more lecture. Still, as I told you, that I will try to keep on adding new lectures often to make it a full-fledged mastery course as claimed. But still, right now it has kind of a golden content, which I think I'm going to summarize in front of you guys. So for this right now, it's there are a few things which you will learn: create and launch high performing Google Ads campaign, understand how Google Ads work and how to target the right audience, track and optimize ad performance for better ROI, return on investment, and compare Google Ads with SEO Meta, Google Ads for strategic planning, use Google Tag Manager to track conversions, a complete videos on conversion tracking, Google Ads mistake, Google Ads disapprovals, suspension. So I have covered a lot. So it starts from introduction, where I discuss regarding basic info, then some questionnaires, then keyword research. I have 3 lectures on the keyword research. I have lectures on ad copy and ad assets, conversion tracking, Google Ads disapprovals, then a lecture on Google Ads bidding strategy, then quality score lectures, detailed information regarding quality score, what is quality score, ad rank, how does it work, and how you can create your Google Ads campaign. So it's a kind of a full-fledged lecture which still have a lot of content coming. So as told, I highly recommend you guys to be the part of my Udemy family and do subscribe to this course, because I have tried to share all the information which I have learned, and I will still keep on adding new content as discussed. For my experiences, the information, or whatever new thing Google is coming, I will try to add them regularly in this course. So yeah, thank you, and do definitely subscribe to this course. The link is mentioned in the description of this video. So good luck, and I look forward to welcoming all of you to Udemy to subscribe to this course and to share the feedback as well. Thank you.